everyone, my name is Kathy Alvarez.
And I'm Antonino Gonzalez. We are students at Laurel Oaks Career Campus. We are doing this project as a part of our English class.
Here at Laurel Oaks Career Campus, we are a career technical school and we offer 18 career-based labs, such as cosmetology, welding, and animal science. I am in exercise science.
And I am in IT. As a class, we have been working very hard on our segments, and we are happy to introduce our first segment, Sink or Swim, followed by That's So Sketch, Challenge Accepted, and All Access.
Welcome to Sink or Swim. Today, students will be battling it out in a game of pie face. They will be looking at zoomed-in pictures of teachers and staff. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at a super zoomed-in picture of the teachers, and then if you get it wrong, you have to put 2 notches to see if you get pied in the face. Is that simple?
Gotcha.
Yep.
Okay. The first teacher. It's a staff or teacher. Oh, 5, 4, 3,
I have no
2,
idea.
1.
I'm gonna take it. I don't know. I have no idea.
It is 5.
That's one of the
4,
deans.
3,
Short brown
2.
hair dean. I don't know her name. What's your name?
Mrs. Russell. I mean, I guess that can count. So you have to do it nowadays.
What, just once, twice?
Twice. It was Miss Russell.
But
5,
Mr.
4, 3,
Anderson.
2. You got it wrong, so you have to do it.
Yes. A lot of whipped cream.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I run a short dude.
You both have to do it. 2 notches. Five, 4, 3, 2.
IT dude.
1. No. That's wrong.
You know what?
Okay. Who was it? It was Mr. Otter.
Are you for real?
Okay, next teacher. 5, 4, 3, 2.
I don't know what their retina looks like.
What's the answer? It was Mr. McCool.
Are you for real?
Next teacher. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yeah, I don't know.
1. You both got it wrong, so you both have to.
This is silly.
You'll see it zoomed in. 5, 4, 3.
Oh, whoa, whoa,
2,
whoa! Female
1.
counselor.
Okay, it was Mrs. Brindley, so you have to do it. And next teacher. 5, 4,
Pearson.
3, 2, 1. Both wrong. So
Weber.
it was. You have another chance to zoom in. 5.
Oh, whoa, 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 Mr. Andrews.
You got it.
Oh no.
And then that's the end of the game. Yay!
Yeah!
That was a great segment.
Hey Kathy, what's the best thing to put into a pie?
What?
Your teeth.
Fun fact, Laurel Oaks is one branch of Great Oaks Career Campuses. The branches are Laurel Oaks, Live Oaks, Scarlet Oaks, and Diamond Oaks. Our next segment is That's So Sketch.
A girl has to complete an art project. She finds inspiration in a very unlikely place.
Thank God for lunch, man. I was so hungry.
Yeah. Have you started on that project lately?
Yeah, I finished it last night. I had to stay up all night to do it.
I haven't even started on mine.
Yeah. What? What do you mean you haven't started on yours?
I don't have any inspiration?
It's due today. You had a week to work on it.
I know, but in this school, there's no color, no life, therefore no inspiration.
What are you even talking about?
It has to be perfect.
I think we're already past the point of perfection.
I'm clueless.
Look, you'll figure something out. In the meantime, I'm gonna eat some mustard.
I have an idea.
Huh? What?
Here, give me your fork. Look, letters made out of mustard. I have my idea now.
Yeah? That'll do it.
What do you think?
You'll certainly get A grade.
That's acceptable.
Well, let's go turn it in, I guess.
All right, let's go.
All right, fine. Yes, Anna, you had something you wanted to show me. What is this?
Letters made out of mustard for the lettercross project.
Out of mustard? Anna,
Yeah?
this is the greatest project I have ever received.
Really?
No! This is a mustard stain.
Oh.
But for handing me such a terrible, terrible little project that you definitely made at lunch. That's like pretty close to participation.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a A+ 100%.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Get out of here before I change my mind.
Okay.
I must admit, that was a great segment. You get it?
That was a good one. Anyway, fun fact. Great Oaks covers 35 school districts and covers 2,000 square miles.
In our next segment, we will go behind the scenes and meet some of our lab teachers in All Access.
All access.
Hello and welcome, and today I'm introducing Ms. Brock. What lab or subject do you teach?
I teach animal science and management.
What do you most like about teaching your lab?
I love the students' enthusiasm for working with the animals and being able to have that hands-on experience.
Hello and welcome. Today I am interviewing Mr. Stonehill.
Correct.
What lab or subject do you teach?
Automotive service technician.
How long have you been here at Great Oaks?
I've been here 16 years total.
What do you most like about teaching your lab?
I like to teach students new things they've never had as far as knowledge, discover how to repair their own vehicle, how to grow themselves up to develop into a career.
My name is Braden Babs and I'm here interviewing Mrs. Horn. So, what lab do you teach?
I teach early childhood education.
So, what do you like the most about teaching your lab?
What I like the most is probably that every day is different. There's not one day that's the same. Even though our routine may be the same, the things that happen are always different.
One of the first questions I have to ask is, what is your name?
John Comer.
What lab or subject do you teach?
Well, this lab is IT Academy this year. The subjects we teach in here is, in the junior class, we teach hardware and software computers. And in second year, senior year, we teach networking and security.
What is one of your favorite things about teaching this lab?
The students.
The students?
The students, yeah. They come from everywhere and they're all fantastic.
What did the arm wrestler say to his opponent?
What?
I had the upper hand.
Fun fact, Laurel's career campus is on site of a former military base.
I did not know that.
Our last segment is challenge accepted.
Hey, you got a problem?
Yeah, I got a problem. At least I'm not a welder.
At least I ain't no diesel mechanic.
Hey, take it to the ring.
All right.
Got the tortillas. Introducing in the right quarter, we have Isaac. Yeah. Age 17, we have Tate in the left corner, in the welding lab. All right.
Dodge weave, dodge weave.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
No, why did you lose? Your tortilla went in my eye, bro.
Say something like, Diesel's the best.
Huh?
Thank you for watching our entertainment broadcast.
We need to also thank Digital Arts and Design Lab for helping with filming and editing.
Faculty and students of Laurel Oaks.
Ben McLean for mentoring us.
And Chris Pinello and Katie Cleary for their help and support.
We hope you have a great Oaks Day.
You've never heard that? John Quinones, he's that guy that like sets up those like people like to
Does
see
my
if they're
hair
good
look good
people.
from this angle?
You know, like the
Your hair looks fine, Kathy.
my name's Nino Gonzalez.
Such as welding, cosmetology, and IT. Oh. That's fine, that's fine.
No.
What? I can't. This is now my new co-star.
What's up? I'm Trevor.
You're not Nino.
Sorry, I took his place. He had somewhere to be.
You're dumb.
I know.
If you really think about it, Diddy Kong can drive a car. That's one thing I can't do. That's the only difference between me and Diddy Kong. Do you hear me? Are you picking this up? It's the only difference.
That was a great segment.
Hey, Kathy, what's the best thing to put into a pie?
What?
Your teeth. Yeah.
Stop.
Audio sync. Gaming.
Oh, that far out and mine's not.
What do you mean?
Isn't that cheating?
I don't know, man.
Okay.
This summer, 11 people trapped in one room. That room is in Florida. And that Florida is on the moon. And that moon is a Neptune moon. Neptune moon, 11 people. The 11th film in the Neptune Moon series. Coming out this Friday in no theaters, not on any streaming services. You can buy it for $12 at a Redbox. Speaking of which, we bought every other movie at Redbox. This is the only movie you can buy there. If you go to a Redbox, do you want to know how I got these scars? I went to a Redbox and tripped on a fallen quarter that someone had dropped. And instead of picking it up, they got another quarter. So I tripped on that quarter and fell onto the Redbox, and that's how I got these scars.
Oh, you turned it on.
Yeah, so this is my Friday.
Wait.
Hey, where'd everybody go?